Call us plus 27 731 582 436 or email us MULANIOPERATORS@yahoo.com. Make a difference in your life and to people around you. Join now. No qualification needed. Fully registered and TETA accredited. We offer mining and constructional machinery training and semi-skill courses. Call us /Whatsapp 0731 582 436. Drill rig equals excavator equals dump truck equals grader equals forklift equals mobile crane equals bulldozer equals LHD scoop equals front end loader equals bobcat equals TLB equals boilermaker equals welding equals Diseal machineic equals panel beating spray equals fitter equals etc. MULANI Operators Skills Training offers secure free accommodation & free transport plus job assistance after training your course. For more, call plus 27 73 1582 436 Whatapp 0731 582 436 *. We are one of the leading providers of effective & practical machinery training in South Africa. Training done according to South African standards. Find us in Germiston Street. Tel 0118241189, cell 0731582436. MULANI Operators Training School, South Africa. Thanks for contacting MULANI Operators Training School. Requirement: call us 073 1582 436 for booking & registration. Copy of your ID/passport, 2 small ID size photos on blanket, safety boots, course fees. Call us plus 27 73 1582 436 for booking & confirmation. The exact date you coming for training. School car picks up all students from Johannesburg Park Station NB. School offers free accommodation to all students. Regards, MULANI Operators Training School, 46 Spilsbury Street, Germiston 1401, Gauteng Province, RSA Regno. 2013/124410/07 CRT No. 20122 Tel 0118241189, cell 073 1582 436. Email MULANIOperators@yahoo.com. Website http://www.mulanitraining.co. Facebook http://www.facebook.com mulanitraining. Twitter http://www.twitter.com/mulanitraining.